Welcome back to How To University. Before we get started, like always, hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell, and don't forget to like the video to connect more creatives to the How To University channel. In today's video, we're going to teach you how to make a reel for any platform that now offers that type of video content. So we're going to open up our content tool Canva. We're going to go ahead and go to the search bar and type in Reels. And now what's amazing about this tool is that now every single reel that you could ever think of by category you can create. So open up that portfolio, and maybe even you becoming a content creator or a marketing manager or a social media manager. This will help you do just that. So for an example, let's go ahead and click on Meet Your Barista. I know there's a lot of coffee people out there. This has it for you. So all you have to do is hit customize this template. So let's say you have a small company and you want to go ahead and promote that. So we're going to go ahead and press play, and it's going to go ahead and play the video that's already been generated for you. And remember, anything within a purple square or rectangle can be changed. So we're going to leave that there, Meet Our Barista. We're going to go ahead and click on the second page, and you do that by just scrolling down a little bit. If you hit the plus sign, you can also add some transitions to it. So let's go ahead and see what that looks like now that I've added this. Well, actually, there's a little presentation there at the top that you can see. So circle, this is a beta. Stack, so I like the stack. We're gonna leave that there. So when we press play, it kind of looks like this, and then the stack will happen after it says Meet Our Barista. Boom, there's Richard, and then of course you have See You Soon. So that is how you can take this content and upload it to the social media platform of choice, whether it's YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels. And it's as simple as going in and typing in the word Reels inside of the search bar. So one more time before we leave, we're going to go ahead and go to the search bar, type in Reels, or it should be your last one there. Scroll through thousands upon thousands of different reels that you can create. And for this example here, I'm going to go ahead and click on one more different one here. Let's say you're a YouTube tech reviewer and you just got the latest iPhone, or you're a gamer and you want to go ahead and promote the next big thing that's dropping. Canva has different graphics that you can choose from, and just make your content look incredible. And who would know that you're using Canva and just moving things around a little bit, you can customize, and people wouldn't even know that you're using this here to promote any of your reels or any of your content. And mind you, everything that's here and that I'm doing is absolutely free. You can even copy and paste that one that I just took, and we can put it horizontally and vertically, and now we have a reel that's already tailored to this specific niche, which is the technology. It pops up, you can see it there. We can even drop that down just a little bit, so make sure that everything is still in frame. And don't forget that if you find this video helpful, leave a like, comment down below what you're working on, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.